What up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today we are going to add 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. Now, I have videos where I add 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. This is no different, it's just some more stuff to add. Before we get started, do me a favor, go to the link in the description of this video, click on that, and you'll find the notes for this. We're going to do a bunch of problems. I'm going to have you pause the video so you could do a bunch of problems. It sure would be nice if you had those with you, if you can print them out. If you can't, that's fine. Just watch the video. You'll learn something anyway. If you like the video, hit like. If you love it, hit subscribe. Also, leave a comment if you can. Now, like I said before, if you know how to add 2- and 3-digit numbers, then adding 4- and 5-digit numbers are going to be basically just the same thing, just more to do. All right, so first things first, how do you do them? Well, you line up the numbers, make sure they're stacked all the way to the right. You go all the way to the right and add the digits. Now, if the number is greater than 10 when you add them, then you put the number in the ones place here and carry over the number in the tens place. So 3 plus 8 is 11. So I'm going to put 1 here for the ones place and put 1 here for the tens place. That makes 11. Now I move to the left. Add them again and remember the numbers as you add them in your head. 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17. So for 1, 7, 17, you write out the 7 under the line and carry over a 1. Keep working your way to the left. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 0 is still 7. Write out your 7. Nothing carries over. 8 plus 8 is 16. So write out your 6. Carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Don't forget your comma. You end up with 26,771. Okay? So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to do a bunch, and then I'm going to have you do a bunch. So start all the way to the right. 1 plus 7 is 8. Write it underneath the line. 9 plus 5 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Write out your 5. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Write out your 6. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Write out your 7. Don't forget your comma. And 69,691 plus 6,857 is 76,548. Let's do it again. Start all the way to the right. I have 18,487 plus 50,097. 7 plus 7 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Write out your 8. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 0 is still 5. Write out your 5. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. Don't forget your comma, and you end up with 68,584. I'm just going to keep on moving. 21,601 plus 42,335. Start all the way to the right. 1 plus 5 is 6. 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. Nothing carried over in that entire problem. 63,936. That's going to be your answer. Okay, see, these aren't so bad. So you're going to try them on your own. If you have the notes in front of you, pause the video and do the next couple problems. If you don't, that's okay. Just watch the video. You'll learn something anyway. But if you're able to pause the video, do it now. All right, welcome back. Let's see how you did. Let's see how you did. 36,835 plus 1,967. So add 5 plus 7, you get 2. Well, you get 12. Write out the 2 underneath and carry over the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So write out your 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Write out your 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Write out your 8. 3 plus nothing is 3. Write out your comma. 38,802. Okay? 19,365 plus 80,187. Go all the way to the right. 5 plus 7 is 12. Write out your 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Write out your 5. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Write out your 5. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. Write out your comma, and you get 99,552. Okay? Here we go, another one. 88,718 plus 4,494. Go all the way to the right. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write out your 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Write out your 1. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write out your 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Write out your 3. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Drop down the comma, and you end up with 93,212. More. All right. 28,553 plus 63,412. Go all the way to the right. 3 plus 2 is 5. Write it underneath the line. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 3 is 12. Right, I'm sorry, that was a close one. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write out your 1. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Write out your comma. 91,965. All right, so let's wrap this up with the word problem. A school library has 8,472 books at the beginning of the year. During the year, the library received 12,365 new books. How many books does the library have now? So if you started out with that and you're going to tack on more, you're adding these numbers together. I like to put the larger number on top, not that it matters. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. And I'm going to add. Now make sure you line these numbers up. 8,472. See how the commas are lined up all nice? You don't want to take that away. Don't change that anytime soon. All right, start all the way to the right. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write out your 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Drop down your comma. 2 plus 8 is 10. Write out your 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and we end up with 20,837. Now, what are we talking about? This is a word problem, so we need words for our answer. How many books does the library have now? How many books does the library have now? Well, it has 20,837 books. That's how many books they have now. So, adding multiple digit numbers, bigger digit numbers is not that bad. You just have to add more. So hopefully this helped. If it did, like, subscribe. Subscribing goes a long way for me, so please make sure you do that. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.